Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me as I share a beautiful and serene oasis that I created. This is how it started on my front porch a few weeks ago. The transformation is just beautiful. I added a few hanging pots with some red begonias in them for that nice touch of red. The planter on my walk is in full bloom. I used coconut liners when I repotted my plants to give everything a more cohesive look. And this is how it looks on my front porch, my little oasis. I decorated in colors of blue, black, and white. Brought everything together with plenty of patterns. And yes, I am a pattern girl. I think the patterns just make everything so interesting to the eye. It draws you in, and it sets the stage for my oasis. As you step onto my porch, you are greeted at my front door with a hanger that I created using a thrifted frame, pool noodle, plenty of blue and white flowers, and lovely shades of blue, chinoiserie, translucent, and white ribbon. I've done a video on this, a DIY, that I will post to show you how I put everything together. I think it is just a nice start, a welcoming start to my guests as they enter my porch. The bold and vivid colors of my doormat with the hydrangeas really add to the aesthetic of my front porch. And this is how everything looks. I did several DIYs on this. I also did a DIY with my ferns for some plant holders. And I have a video, a quick short out there for you. Actually, I am going to create a playlist with everything that I've done to bring all of this together. See how big and beautiful and lush the ferns are. I have one on each side of my glider. I've added cushions on my glider for comfort. And then I've also added a deep blue cushion that just makes it so comfortable for sitting out here on my glider while I'm reading or having a cup of coffee as I just watch and listen to the sounds in my front yard. I added another level of pattern to this design by adding a blue and white checkered plastic rug that I picked up from my local grocery store at a very good price. It is very convenient because it allows me to clean the porch as well as water my plants. The rug dries out in no time and it is ready for use once again. My quaint dining area consists of a bistro set that I've had for several years now. I've added some beautiful cushions with blue and white pattern on there, and I also placed my thrifted find that I use as part of my decoration on my front yard. For me, this is such an inviting space. I love to come out here and spend so many hours just enjoying and relaxing and being thankful for all that I have. So if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and come back for more of my videos. And if you are one of my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back again. I am so honored and thankful that you take time out of your busy day to spend it with me and help me grow my channel. I spend so much time out here during the day that before I know it, the time just flies by, and sooner or later, everything goes from day into evening. And so that I can enjoy my evening without the bugs biting me so much, I light my citronelle candles at least a half an hour before I come out to my porch. Well, I hope this gives you some inspiration. And thank you so much for joining me once again. And as always, whatever you do and wherever you go, be blessed.